Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Coded with Sarthak. Today we have very special video for you guys. आप लोग काफ़ी बार मुझे कमेंट्स में डीएम में पूछ रहे हैं कि what is product management, what is how it is different from software development, how you can become a product manager, or is it something like what kind of responsibilities are for their product managers, and how you can transition from one role to another role. So in this specific video, we are going to discuss more about the nuances like pros and cons, or you can say the difference between a software engineer and a product manager. What's their typical day-to-day life looks like? What are the responsibilities? And what kind of job or like say career option is better suited for you? तो इसमें हम ये सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे एंड आई होप यू विल लाइक दिस वीडियो. अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल फॉर सच अमेजिंग कंटेंट. एंड विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. I think you are more familiar with the term software engineering क्योंकि generally you are coming from engineering backgrounds. You have software developers all around you. आपके फैमिली में कोई ना कोई सॉफ्टवेयर आईटी इंडस्ट्री में वर्क कर रहा होगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक software engineer is a term which is very common. We know, like, you have to sit in front of computer, you have to code. That's the basic terminology, that's the basic understanding for every person. But there are other things that are also involved in it. You have to think about solutions की कितना technically solution solvable होना चाहिए. It should be feasible, it should be scalable, कि in case अगर हमें 5 की जगह कुछ और requirement आ जाती है, we can expand it. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से इंस्टाग्राम में पोस्ट थे, फिर बाद में स्टोरीज आ गई एंड देन रील्स आ गई. सो योर एंटायर सोल्यूशन शुड बी स्केलेबल. ठीक है. देन वी कैन से समथिंग लाइक गूगल मैप्स जब लॉन्च हुआ था, देवर ओनली स्पेसिफिक कार्स, बाद में यू हैव एन ऑप्शन टू सिलेक्ट अ टू व्हीलर एज वेल. सो इट इज स्केलेबल इन दैट सेंस. ठीक है. इट शुड नॉट इट शुड केटर टू ऑल द अदर थिंग्स एज वेल. जो भी आपका क्लाइंट सिस्टम है, फॉर एग्जांपल आपका एंड्रॉइड ऐप है, आईओएस ऐप है, और इज इट लाइक अ वेबसाइट जो लैपटॉप पे रन करने वाला है. इट शुड बी नॉट पावर हंग्री और जैसे सीपीयू हंग्री. तो ये चीज़ें माइंड में रखनी पड़ती हैं. आपको वेराइटी ऑफ डिवाइसेस, वेराइटी ऑफ चीज़ों को सपोर्ट करना है कि यार छोटी स्क्रीन में देखेंगे तो अच्छा दिखना चाहिए, बड़ी स्क्रीन में देखेंगे तो भी अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. देन देयर आर अदर स्ट्रीम्स एज वेल. सो दिस इज मोर अबाउट फ्रंट एंड, देयर आर बैक एंड. So whatever suits you best, you are more into front end you designing as well and creating the good stuff. You are here. If you are more into technical part of it, कि how the backend system should work, how the server interaction should happen, तो आप बैक एंड डेवलपमेंट में चल जाते हैं. दिस इज मोर अ डे टू डे टास्क फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर. जनरली दे आर फोकस्ड ऑन हाउ पार्ट ऑफ इट, कि कैसे करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ सम क्वेरी हैज बीन देयर लाइक कि लेट्स से कल से इंस्टाग्राम का प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर से समथिंग लाइक कि रील्स को 30 सेकंड की जगह 1 मिनट के कर देते हैं, या रील शुड बी स्क्रॉलेबल दिस साइड. ओके. तो इट्स अप टू सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर कि वो कैसे उसको क्रिएट करता है, वो उस फंक्शनैलिटी को कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करता है, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली ही इज द पर्सन हु इज राइटिंग द कोड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एंड कंप्लीटिंग दैट फंक्शनैलिटी. सो दैट्स देयर फॉर यू गाइज. कि आप सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर हैं तो यू आर मोर फोकस ऑन द हाउ पार्ट ऑफ इट. आपको प्रोग्रामिंग में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए, एंड प्राइमरी स्किल सेट शुड बी मोर लाइक अराउंड डेवलपमेंट, और यू शुड हैव सम ऑफ द कोर स्किल्स अराउंड वन ऑफ द कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस दैट यू हियर मोर अबाउट, सी प्लस, जावा, you say Python, JavaScript, and something like that. So that is one thing. And generally software developers are more independent by nature because they don't have many dependencies. They just rely on their counterpart as in engineering managers to assign them some tickets or something, or like a product manager to assign them some tickets to work on, and they will independently work on it according to the timeline and everything. It's more like more that kind of a job. But coming back to what is product management and what kind of day-to-day responsibilities look like. So product management is more around whatever works around product. I have to make, in the sense that a product manager has to make any product that is more lovable by customer, that is having more adoption, giving us more revenue. It's user likable. Users are sharing among each other. Ki ho sakta hai, it could be consumer facing, it could be brand facing. Let's say your client is a business or it's a company, so it can be anything. At the end of the day, product manager is focused on the what part of it, क्या build करना है. There are certain requirements. Let's say इंस्टाग्राम का सीईओ ने बोल दिया कि हमें रील्स जैसा कुछ, टिकटॉक जैसा कुछ इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. it's that thinking that relate like passes on to product manager, and then he thinks कि हम reels launch कर सकते हैं. Reels could be something of this kind of product, and reels में ये functionality होगी, ये time limit होगी, and it all revolves around different stakeholders. So when the ideation phase comes in, कि आपको सोचना पड़ेगा किस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, क्या एंड टू एंड केसेस होंगे, देन यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द डिजाइन फ्लोज एज वेल कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा डिजाइन चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली देयर आर यूएक्स डिजाइनर हु आर देयर टू हेल्प यू, but that's there. You have analytics guys to give you some data कि हाँ यार, let's say someday they are able to decide कि is reels a good feature to go with or not. So they can pull out some data कि हाँ TikTok is performing very good, TikTok has this much watch time, this much followers and everything, so that we should also invest our time in reels. So we have analytics counterpart as well. We have you can say UI UX designers. We have some persons who are looking into finances as well कि how much finances or resources have to spend on it. We have marketing counterparts कि इसकी यार marketing strategy क्या होनी चाहिए, what should be the right word, what should be the right audience जिसको market करना है, something like that. And we are more focused on क्यों करना है, कैसे करना है, like what and why of the product, and primarily the stakeholder management is also part of it. We have tons of meeting every day. So believe me, like there are days when I am packed more than 50%, 70% of my schedule into meetings, and either I am passing on the updates or either I am taking some updates from the other person, and that's the day looks like. You don't have to have a core coding skill, I would say. It's good to have it's good, like the product manager is one person who can have a good understanding of how design system works, how coding, like the technical things work, how marketing works. So all in one kind of a person. But you don't have to have one core hard skill. Let's say you are very very good at marketing, or you are very good at UX designing कि ये ऐसा flow होना चाहिए and something like that. You should not be very very good at like code करके पूरा build कर दिया, because your job description does not have coding involved much in it. So that's there. And you're also more around कि इस project का timeline should be 3 months or 3 years. It should be the V1 part of it, it should be the V2 part of it. Developers के साथ आपका काफ़ी अच्छा relationship होता है, because whatever thinking you have been doing, developers are there for let's say making a POC of it, or just implementing it, making it live in the prescribed timeline. And you have to manage all the stakeholders. So the stakeholders as in developers, marketing managers, CEO of the company, or VPs and other stakeholders, so that whatever the product you are doing is feasible, is scalable, and is right for the company, because it aligns with the intention of the company. It will give us more user base or revenue or something like that. That should be the idea. And also product managers is more like a team leader, but a pseudo team leader, because every person in the team has their own reporting manager. For example, a software developer has their own engineering manager, designer have a senior designer, or say principal designer as their reporting manager, or like senior to them. Then there would be an analytics guy who would be like who would have their senior analytics person, or some data science guy would be leading that team. Then there would be marketing, who would be leader of marketing leaders. So you are not the direct reporting manager of any of the stakeholder in that chain, unless like a junior product manager is under you, like say PM intern or APM or something like that. But in a common way, product manager is a pseudo team leader. You are kind of taking inputs from everybody, but they are not they are not bound by law to report you, because they have their own specific reporting managers. And so what happens in startup, generally you can directly interact with the analytics person, developer and everything, but in very big companies like MNCs like Google, Facebook and everything, generally product managers only interact with their managers, like manager counterpart, let's say engineering manager or analytics manager or marketing manager, and they themselves decide what task should be picked by which marketing guy or which analytics guy, and they will return the result to you. So chain looks like कि मैं product manager engineering manager को बोलूँगा, engineering manager अपने software developer को बोल देगा, it should be any developer, and ultimately this guy will not interact with the product manager. It will interact with engineering manager कि मैंने product build कर दिया, this is my strategy, this is the bugs or everything, we can go live. Then the engineering manager will tell me like दिस इज द आइडियल स्ट्रेटेजी. बट इन स्टार्टअप इट्स मोर लाइक कि प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर डायरेक्टली इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर डायरेक्टली असाइन कर रहा है टिकट्स, और इंजीनियर लाइक डेवलपर्स खुद से प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर के पास जाके पूछ रहे हैं कि व्हाट आर द टिकट्स आई कैन पिक अप इन दिस ट्रेन और दिस प्रिंट और दिस टाइमलाइन. So that's the basic idea. You should have more breadth of the skills, and in development you should have more depth in the skill set. So that's one key difference. And if you are more into coding and everything, the software development is the way for you. But there are times when people are into coding as well as other stuff as well. Let's say business, stakeholder management, and leading up to what should be the next product, what should be the next thing. For example, if I have to quote, Tim Cook was product manager and then turned into the CEO of the Apple. Sundar Pichai, CEO of the Google, was a product manager first, and then because product manager is one guy who has that breadth of the skills that are required to look in 360 degree whatever product we are developing. Is it the right product? Is it the big next big thing? ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बायस हो सकता है बिकॉज आई एम अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, आई माइट बी कोटिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आल्सो रिलाई हेवीली ऑन सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर्स. दे आर द बैकबोन ऑफ द एनी प्रोडक्ट. दे आर देयर टू सूट यू. If they stop working on your product, you have nothing to do. You have just an idea. Like the execution also always matters, because you can have ideas like a dime a dozen, but the execution always matters. And that's why we are very heavily dependent on every stakeholder in the team. It may be analytics guy or marketing guy, because अगर marketing नहीं हुई, आपने product build करके आप बैठे रहोगे, users ही नहीं आ रहे आपके product को use करने. How will that happen? How will you report to your seniors कि why you have built this product? So you have to have good marketing guy as well. So I hope with this you get a brief understanding what is a product manager does, or what does a software developer do, and you can opt out to any stream. I have seen people moving from product management to software development as per their coding skills and everything, and a very high ratio, because software developers also are good team leaders, I have good technical acumen and everything. They also move towards engineering manager or product manager in their life cycle. There are tons and tons of examples who have moved from their engineering like coding industry or software development industry towards product management, because ultimately what I think, at the end of the day, if you are leading into your career, you have to become a manager. You cannot do everything by yourself. So it could be engineering manager or product manager or any kind of a marketing manager and everything. So product management, I think, is one way where you can easily move into the management part of it without without spending a long period, because आपको SD1 से SD2, 3, 4 बनना पड़ेगा, senior software developer, staff software engineer, and so on and so forth, and then you become engineering manager, and that takes a lot of time and lots of hustle. But the scale is in the terms of compensation, everything is more or less similar with the engineering manager counterpart in product management, but you get a the cycle is very low. So you start with the junior product management role, say PM intern, then you become an APM or something like that, maybe APM 2 if you are in a very big company, then you move to product manager. Like in 3, 4, 5 years you are a product manager at a very good company, and it's not that easy to become a 3, 4 like engineering manager in 3, 4, 5 years. Yeah, cool. With this we come to this end of the video. I hope you will like it. अगर आपके दोस्त कंफ्यूज हैं, उनके साथ शेयर करें. दे शुड ऑल्सो नो व्हाट आर द अदर स्ट्रीम्स अवेलेबल. आई एम ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग मोर एंड मोर सच streams that act as a software developer, that works as a that helps software developers to work in that live stream. So we have a couple of podcasts coming in from different folks from different industries, from different domains. So stay tuned for that, and please वो subscribe के साइड में बेल आइकन उसे दबा दीजिए, so that you can stay tuned for the next set of videos coming in. And I hope I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys, bye bye, and let's thank the supporter of this channel, Newton School. So guys, what is Newton School? Newton School एक edtech startup है जहाँ पे you can learn more about different technologies out there. They will help you get job offers from these top tech companies. एंड उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको ₹1 भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. दे हैव वेरी गुड ऑफरिंग्स विद दिस कोर्स, लाइव क्लासेस, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोजेक्ट्स, मॉक इंटरव्यूज एंड पर्सनल मेंटरिंग. I will put the link in the description, and I suggest you all to check this out and explore their courses.